Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition driver's side sun visor that fits the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry and Camry hybrid with no sunroof or vanity lights. So by vanity lights, we mean a light up under the dash that turns on when you open the mirror here. So this particular visor fits the vehicles that don't have that light or a sunroof on the vehicle. So this visor installs up near where your head is in the vehicle, and when this flips down, it blocks the sun, and it also has a mirror in here so you can check your hair, check your makeup, stuff like that. So this visor, it's a pretty straightforward installation. If you look over here, there is a trim piece on here. On the factory sun visor, you'll pop this piece off, and there'll be two screws. You'll remove the two screws, and then this will pop out of the ceiling. You'll pop the new one in, reinstall the screws, reinstall the trim piece here, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, this particular visor is in tan. We also have the visor available in gray, depending on the color of the interior of your Camry. You'll want to order the appropriate color. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help.